Today we are going to discuss ICT, Information and Communication Technology. What is ICT or Information Communication Technology? It is known as Information and Communication Technology, which emphasizes on imparting knowledge in the field of education. It is also help individual or institutions handle information by using computers and other digital technologies. You know very well, nowadays we are very much familiar with digital world. So ICT can improve ourselves, and it is also very much important for us in different type of field. Just see the field where you can use ICT frequently. In education, teachers often use computers to teach students, you know very well. What are the benefits of ICT in education? The use of computers in the education domain has simplified the learning of students. By using ICT, teachers of primary and secondary schools have made the learning of students interactive and enjoyable. Generally, students find images and pictorial representations of concepts more interesting as compared to theoretical knowledge. And also, ICT in education has brought a positive impact on the success of students from various perspectives such as knowledge, comprehension, practical and presentation skills. So in the field of education, it is very much important for us for today's world. Next is in healthcare. It is significantly reduce the cost and enhance the service behind provided. The use of ICT in the healthcare industry has given birth to a new concept. It refers to the management of records and information of patients electronically, and it is very easy to find out the particular patient with using or by the using of ICT. The process of scheduling tests through electronic and patient management system has resulted in the education of the re-education of the queues that would have been formed in hospitals. Next, in governments. Governments use ICT to deliver public service. For example, a number of public services are now available online. Citizens and business are able to use the internet to fix tax returns, apply for immigration visas, renew vehicles, road tax, or apply for passports. It is very easy to apply everything by using ICT. ICT by government has resulted in enhanced governance practices such as controlling bad practice like corporation in government offices or in various government departments using electronic devices. ICT also helped in providing better response to people and effective management of services provided by the government. In business, see in the business. Nowadays, people in business can store data not only in their computers but also in external storage devices too, such as online servers in case of huge generation of data. The data stored accessible to people irrespective of their geographical location. It means you can collect your information anywhere in the world by using ICT. It provides quick and cost-effective communication. Administrative cost has also reduced by linking various parties. Next is manufacturing. and design. The use of ICT in the design and manufacturing industry led to the introduction of computer-aided design and computer-aided manufacturing. CAD also designed to develop detailed design of products, and CAM is used to manufacture accurate components of products with minimum tolerance. It means in CAD, errors in design can be detected quickly. It is also cost effective. CAD also designers to easily change their design. CAM ensure adequate and identical quality of any member or number of products and people being manufactured. The company can have bigger profit margin by using CAM, as there is no labor cost. It means it is very cost effective in day-to-day life, our daily life. Information and communication technology is playing a significant role in the world as we exist in the information age. By using ICT, we can read newspaper online, we can get up to date of any events, we can also make video calls or chat with our friends easily, we can book tickets or purchase any items by sitting at home. It means ICT provided us a very much important options which is maybe good for us for our life. Now it's clear to everyone that ICT is very much important and take an important role in our daily life. Next day, I want to discuss about ICT tools, which is also a very important part in our daily life. Thank you for today.